Hey guys, welcome back. It's Tuna here. So today I'll be making a video on the best budget PC that you can build for $500, that is editing/gaming PC. So the parts that I'd be going with is the Intel G4560, which is priced at $75, and it has clock speed of 3.5 GHz. It has 3 MB smart cache and no turbo boosting. It is dual core and hyper-threading is enabled on this chip. The motherboard that I'd be going with is the ASRock H110M HDS. It is priced around $60. It is a very good motherboard and it has 2 RAM slots for dual channel memory. The memory that I'd be going with is the 8GB Kingston HyperX Fury, which is clocked at 2133 MHz and it is priced around $70. It is not the best price for a RAM sticks, but it's affordable, and yeah, you can buy it now and later the RAM prices may decrease. If you wanna wait, you can wait, or else if you wanna build a PC immediately, you can get one for $70. The hard drive that I'd be going with is the WD Blue SATA HDD, which is priced around $50 and it is decently priced. You may get it for $45 sometimes, or you can get it for $55 sometimes. It depends on where you are living and at what time you are buying. You can get a cheap one on Craigslist or eBay. The SSD that I'd be going with is a PNY 120GB SSD, which is priced around $70. It is a good price for an SSD. Usually SSDs range around $90 or $100, but you can get a PNY one for $70, and if the price has increased, you try to get a better deal, like you can get something like a Crucial CX100, CX200 or something like BX100, etc. There are many variants out there. The power supply that I'd be going with is Corsair CX430 bronze rated 80+ power supply, which is priced around $40. It is a good price for a PSU, and you don't need anything better than this, cause the graphic card that I'd be going with only uses 75W TDP, and the graphic card that I'd be going with is the GTX 750 Ti or R7 360 or R7 260X. If you are really a gamer, go get GTX 1050 Ti, but I think you can get away with GTX 750 Ti or the other two cards if you are only editing on your PC. And case that I'd be going with is the Roseville FPM01, and it is priced around $30. It is nothing great guys, it is just a plain case. Then for the Windows, I'd be going with Windows 10 CD key on Kingwin or some other site. Go check out some 2 to 4 websites where you can get it as low as $20 or maybe $15, or even if it is $25, it's a good deal. So please do grab it as fast as possible from any of the websites. I'll link it down below, you can get it from there. So thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like the video, please do hit the like button and subscribe for further updates. Thank you.
This is a Chucky Beat production.